at the early stage of innovation by Dr. Kollapudi Ramesh Chandra, Professor, VNR Vijnanajyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. I take an opportunity to welcome today's resource person, Dr. Ramesh. Welcome you, Ramesh. Hello.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'm here.
I also welcome Dr. Devan Gaon, sir, HOD, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, and Coordinator for IIC 4.0, and Shruti Hiregoda, and my guide, Dr. Mahabaleshwar, and all my dear students. I feel proud that Dr. Kollapudi Ramesh Chandra is one of my students.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I'm proud to be a student of you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Ramesh. And he completed taken opportunity to introduce him. He completed his B in Computer Science in 1999 from Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. MTech in CSE in 2005 from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad. PhD in Computer Science in 2013 from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological.
So naturally occurring things are discovery of new form of the known substance. For example, there is some flexible item. Okay, you call it. So children make various forms with a gum. A specific gum is there. Okay, suppose they form a new shape and they claim that this is my invention. No. Okay, new form of the known substance cannot be patented. Okay. So there is a existing product or process, okay, which is already existing, which is already there, and you are using that product or process for new use of these products. So that cannot be patented. Okay. So mere admixtures. For example, you make poha. Okay, poha. So now you add one more mixture and it become a differently tasting poha. You cannot claim that as a patent. The mere admixtures cannot be patented. Okay. So arrangements of the known components or rearrangements of the known components. For example, you are developing a device, okay, where GPS is there, RFID reader is there, and some known components are there. By using these known components, okay, you are making a small circuit. You cannot claim that as a patent. You are arranging the well-known components with a different use. Okay, so that cannot be patented. Okay, the method of agriculture or horticulture cannot be patented. The method of treatment, medical treatment or surgery cannot be patented. Okay, plants, animal varieties, and producing different types of food items is not patentable. Computer programs, that is software programs, cannot be patented. Business methods, okay, there are various business methods. For example, now Zomato or Swiggy, okay, these are the business methods for doing the online businesses. These business methods cannot be patented. Any new mathematical method cannot be patented. The method of teaching, the method of learning, the method of playing the games, these things cannot be patented. Any artistic creations, okay, a paint or a new flower design or new the saree designs, all those things cannot be patented, but they comes under copyrights. any artistic creations comes under copyrights. It cannot be patented. Okay, semiconductor layout design, that is not a patent. It comes under as a separate act. Layout, semiconductor layout design act is there. That cannot be patented. Any traditional knowledge. I already told you what is meant by traditional knowledge. What is the traditional knowledge? Yoga is a traditional knowledge which cannot be patented. Yeah. Now, okay. So what can be patented and what is the criteria for obtaining a patent? There are three important things the patent Indian Patent Office officers, or you can call them as evaluators. These the evaluators look for three things in a any patent claim. First thing is novelty, or you can call it as a new invention. Whatever the only they will patent. Suppose whatever the idea you have, it does not have any commercial viability, then the patent Indian Patent Office does not grant a patent to you. There should be a utility for whatever the patent idea you are claiming. Okay, so yeah. So here now the concept of novelty. Okay, the novelty is destroyed by its prior use. Before applying for the patent, you have used that process, or you have used that method, or you have used that system, then it lost its novelty. Okay, somebody observes it, somebody takes a picture. Okay, then tomorrow they will claim that this is already known. This is okay. So this is my idea. Somebody, some other fellow claims that this is my idea. He has copied that. Then, okay, there is a problem with that. So that's why novelty is destroyed by its prior use or prior publication. For example, you have very good. You have developed a system, very good system. So in the urgency, okay, so you have published that work in the form of a conference or in the form of a journal. Then it lost its novelty. So for God's sake, never ever publish your patentable idea. Okay, don't publish your patent idea in the journals or conferences, or even in the newspaper articles. Okay, now what is meant by prior publication? Okay, okay, so whatever the idea you have, so that is already published as a patent in somewhere. Okay, suppose your idea is published in the form of a journal, it is published in any website, it is published in any readings in the society, it might be a newspaper article. Okay, or you have discussed with somebody, your known friends, that means it lost its it lost its patentability. Okay, so that's why be careful. Okay, now is it inventive? Is it patentable? Any invention is there in this? Instead of 4 legs, 3 legs are there. Okay, can be patentable?
No, sir.
No, it's not. It's not patentable. Okay, so it comes under non-obvious things. Okay, so now previously we in my probably you might this generation might have not seen Walkman. Okay, so now this Walkman is the product to listen any recorded songs, and that recorded song is on the tape. isn't it? You say there is a memory in the form of tape. Okay, and you need to run the tape, isn't it? So now this is replaced by iPod. Okay, which does not have any any tape memory. It has a chip memory, and at the same time, it no need to run any motor. Just it has a power within that, and open a song from the memory and just run it. Okay, so there is the invention in this. So it has replaced nowadays. Now the people are not using even iPod. Now that iPod is replaced by what? iPod is replaced by what? Our smartphone. You know, smartphone is replacing lot many items. So one of the item is this Walkman and iPod. So this is called invention. This is called invention. And at the same time, your invention should have an industrial applicability or any utility should be there. Then only the Indian Patent Office will give you a grant. Otherwise, they don't give. Okay. So this is all about patents. Now we'll come to the industrial designs. These are the various industrial designs. Okay. So here this is a different way of the chair. Okay. This is a different way of the bottle. This is a different way of the book rack. Okay. And the car design and the sewing machine new design or iPhone design. These are the things called industrial designs. Okay, so industrial design is different from semiconductor designs. Okay, in Indian patent law, industrial designs are different and IC layout designs are different. Okay, next, trademarks. Okay, so the logo of the Microsoft, the 4 windows with different coloring and all those things, that is the trademark. The logos comes under trademarks. Any new words comes under trademark. For example, in our institute, there is a concept called wit and will. Why I am teaching, what I am teaching, why I am learning and what I am learning. That wit and will is the new word coined by our institute. So that wit and will is a trademark, comes under trademark. Okay. So the new wording comes under trademarks. For example, Toshiba is a word. That is with the Toshiba, there is a company. The Toshiba, Honda, all these things are trademarks, comes under trademarks. It might be logo, it might be award and so on. What are the other things? Copyrights. Okay, your computer dramatic works. Okay, these dramatic works comes under copyrights. Any new music works. Okay, these music directors compose their own music for the film songs or any album songs and all those things. Okay, they come under copyrights. What are the non-copyrightable works? Any facts, known facts, any idea can be patented, is not copyrighted. Any new system can be patented, not copyrighted. Any method of operation, new method of operation comes under patent, not a copyright. Okay. So next, there are some geographical indication. For example, Tirupati Laddu. That's a geographical indication. Okay, in Maharashtra, there is a Kolhapur Cheppal. Okay, these are the Kolhapur Cheppal. Okay, they comes under geographical indications. In the similar way, Mysore sandal soap, that's a geographical indication. Darjeeling tea is a geographical indication. Okay, this is Mysore silk. Mysore silk. Okay, they comes under geographical indication. Basmati rice, these are the geographical indications. Okay. the geographical indication does not belong to a particular person. It does not belong to any company. It belongs to a group of people. Understand what is the power of the intellectual property rights. Okay, so Harvard University students, that is Bill Gates and Paul Allen, wrote a computer program, okay, written in BASIC. Okay, then they have made a new computer kit that is called Altair 888800. That is the first computer, first desktop computer. Okay, so they make a big business out of it. Okay, they made Microsoft out of it. Okay, so in the first year, that Altair was sold for $1 million. So more than $1 million they have made. Later it became a Microsoft. Okay, and they make a big company, which is the world's largest company in the world. Then Facebook. It is founded by 5 students of the Stanford. Okay, and isn't it? So here, this intellectual property rights and the inventions, it changes not only the people, it changes the whole country and the whole world, isn't it? So it changes the whole world, and because of the Bill Gates and his invention, there is lot many jobs were introduced, and mostly India is benefited out of it, isn't it? It changes the world, it changes the whole culture and all those things. Okay, so that is the power of IP. So let me take different examples of the power of the IP. Kodak sold 1100 digital imaging related patents for $525 million to Apple, Google, and Facebook. It has made big business out of it. Okay, and Google has bought the Motorola Mobility with 17,000 patent for $12.5 billion. Okay, then Microsoft acquired 800 patents from AOL for $1 billion, and they have sold 70% of them to $550 billion to Facebook. Okay, by cash. And Qualcomm earns $6.6 billion through patent licensing every year. Okay, so you can think of Qualcomm, more than 80% of the income by the Qualcomm comes from its patent licensing. Okay, IBM licenses patents for more than 1 billion per year. It gets 1 billion. Okay, art. So before applying for a patent, before applying your invention or your idea for the patent, just check whether somebody has did the similar thing already or not. Okay, so that is called prior art. Okay. So, okay. Otherwise, that means you are reinventing the wheel. You are reinventing the wheel. Okay. Later, you found that after spending a lot of time and money, you found that okay, that idea is already there. Okay, you should not do that. Okay, whenever you got idea, do the prior art. Search in the internet. Search in the any patent websites. Google Patents is there, US patent website is there. Okay, China, and there is a IKP. IKP means Innovation Knowledge Box. This IKP is supported by ICICI Bank and Government of India. There is a scheme called BIRAC, Technology Research Council. Okay, so they have provided almost 45 lakhs to these students. Now they have realized and they have started their own company, and our manager Vijay Hub, they have guided, he has guided them, and later he helped them in establishing their own, establish their company in their own premises. Okay, so this is the two success stories. So what I would like to tell the students is, whenever you have any idea, okay, you approach to your IPL or your MHRD in Innovation Council. I think, madam, you have IPL at your place.
Yeah, we are having IIS institution from MHRD.
Yeah, so that means you didn't have any idea.
Right.
Across IISc cell,
Yes, yes.
Institute Innovation Council. IISc
Yes,
means Institute
yes.
Innovation Council, which is supported by MHRD. You
Yes.
got fund for that, madam?
For that, we are not funding, but we are having another idea, that is one more lab, that is called as IDA lab, operated by MHRD, worth rupees 1.1 crore.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's good.
IDA lab
So,
business has been started.
okay. Congrats. Yeah. So, if any student is having any idea, first approach. Don't discuss with anybody. Approach your IAC cell. Okay, they will handhold you in a patenting process. Okay, and whenever you got any idea, don't ever publish the idea in the form of journals or conference papers. These are the two basic things you should remember. Should not disclose to anybody, should not publish in any conferences or journals. Okay. Once your patent idea is published in the Indian Patent Journal, then you can publish in the journals or conferences, and then you can disclose to your friends, your relatives, anybody. Okay. It should be patented first. Then only you can disclose, then only you can publish. Okay. So this is a success story. Okay, so they were displaying their product. This is the product. Okay, so cost of the product, but whenever you say, I would like to drink, it won this one also. What do you say? Voice based also. Suppose whenever you say, I would like to drink water, then it goes and picks up that glass and brings the glass full of water to your mouth. Okay, so these are two success stories of few I'm discussing. Okay, so anyhow, all the students, this is the strategies for the researches. So time I did not check.
It's okay.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Yeah. So I thank Mrs. Devi of KNS Partners for providing the introduction IPR slides. Thank you. So this is my email ID. If you would like to share any thoughts, if you have any questions, you can email me. If you have any questions, students, do you have any questions as of now?
But if you are having any questions or inquiries regarding the patents or any idea how to invent it and how to establish that is patented, you can ask it.
It's already,
Students, are you ready?
it's already late evening and already exhausted.
Are you listening or not, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you at least alert. Okay. Any questions or any queries?
Ma'am, my suggestion is this is a good process, ma'am.
Yeah.
So with help our institute in bringing more IPs from the students. Okay. So last month, the 24th, also we got one. We have applied one patent.
One more.
one patent. Like that, many patents students used to work with faculty. Okay, so yeah, so this is the process. First, conduct a big idea competition or any competition. So idea competition, we named it as My Big Idea Competition. So then students come up with their ideas.
Yes.
Should be in closed room, a committee of the 11 people. Okay. So that the okay, so and one to one. But my experience, madam, I found only two successful cases.
Yeah.
I have one failure case also. It is not because of the student; it is because of the parents.
Yeah.
Okay, one student, he got very good idea. So whenever the students are driving bike, na madam, whenever it's supposed to fail, okay, there are two flaps opens in the down of the bike, and so that it is not fall.
Okay.
That is the methodology. That is the idea he got, and it's already patented. His patent is granted within 2 years. Patent office has processed this idea very fastly because this is an innovative idea.
Yeah.
And prototype model, he made a prototype model and all those things. Okay, and he is placed. Okay, his parents said nothing. Okay, he's also a mechanical person. Okay. Go to US, 2 years, settle in a software company. Okay. We don't want all these things. So our we'll perform marriage at the early stage. Our is okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's a failure case, madam. Student is good. Actually, his idea is good. His idea is within 2 years. No. Actually, this is not a failure. It's not failure because of the student. It is because of the society. It is because of the parental support.
Support should be from his side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So did that probably that Nikhil never get opportunity to meet minister.
Yeah. No, definitely.
So,
but
you know, ma'am, this minister remember this person name. Student name.
Okay.
Okay, because AC helmet is a crazy thing.
Yeah.
Okay, it helps all the people. It helps the society.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Okay. Thanks. Thank you, Ramesh. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So actually, I thank for your presenting your valuable knowledge on IPR, and also brief about which product can be patented and the criteria about obtaining how to obtain the patent and the concept of copyright, GIs and trademarks, etc. You have given the brief ideas, and also you give your success stories of your students and the failure story also.
Yes.
Yeah. It's very innovative session, and it's very good. Students, do you have any questions? Okay. Might not be questions.
Yeah.
I once again thank Dr. Ramesh Chandra for sparing his valuable time with us.
No, it's my honor, ma'am. Don't say.
Yeah.
My honor.
In spite of his busy schedule also, with one message, he accepted my invitation and for presenting the session. Thank you, Ramesh. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
And look forward the same cooperation from you.
Sure. It's my pleasure, ma'am.
Yeah. I also thank our beloved principal, Dr. S. Engineer sir, for encouraging us to conduct such programs. And I also extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Anil Devendame sir who is the HOD of AI/ML department and also the coordinator for ISSL, and for giving an opportunity for me to conduct this session. Also thank Shruti Hirepadar for making all online arrangements, and I thank one and all, and I also thank at last, the students for their patience hearing and getting knowledge about IPR, and hope your ideas may come into products by next 2 years in our college. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, Ramesh.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. All the best, students. Have more ideas, realize your dreams. Okay.
I request all the students to make your videos on so that you can have one screenshot. Request all the students to make your videos on. Ramesh, will you please stop your screen sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.